I'm going to make pasta with cheese. Take a cooking pot and add 4 cups of water and let it boil. While boiling, add a little bit of salt. Now add 1.5 cups of pasta. And some carrots. And some beans. Stir them and let it cook. After it's boiled, we have to drain the water. Take another cooking pot and add some vegetable oil. Next, add some onions and some green chili. And let it fry for some time. After that, add some ginger and garlic paste. After that, add some tomato puree. Mix it well and let it cook for some time. Now add a little bit of coriander powder and a little bit of chili powder. And then add 1 spoon of soya sauce and 1 spoon of chili sauce. Now add 1 spoon of salt. Now add a 1/2 cup of milk for creaminess and mix it well. Now in this, add drained pasta and mix it well. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now add a small cube of butter. After butter melts, add some shredded cheese on top. Now our tasty and delicious cheese pasta is ready.